back, all you chipsters. We're just having just a delightful day out here in the middle of the woods. Anybody who knows me knows that I can't sharpen a chainsaw worth beans. It's a joke around here. Everybody around the shop likes to make fun of me, and that's fine. Because I can't sharpen a chainsaw. Well, it just so happened to be that 2 days ago, I put an edge on the chainsaw, and it worked just beautifully, and everything was going great, and I thought, wow, it actually, you can tell if you do a chainsaw, it's a sharp one from a dull one, and I actually had a little bit sharp, and I was quite proud of myself. Then it got a little dull because we're trimming up a few logs kicking around here, and we went to trim up the logs. It was a little dull yesterday, so being that I was rather proud of myself, my head was getting a little swelled up, I took the file to it again. And it wouldn't cut worth crap. I mean crap. Snapped right back to reality that I don't know what I'm doing. So therefore, that's why it's nice to have good people that work with you, that can help you out, that know a lot more about sharpening chainsaws than I do. So Josh started, he said, I'll go work on that. I said, okay, he was slashing, we're kind of just wrapping up for the day. And he's got a good edge on that saw finally. So he's gonna trim up some more. And one thing that I don't do is I do not put this above him. I stay away from him. I don't like getting close to him. Stay away from him. Safety reasons, you know what I mean? So that's kind of what's going on today, this afternoon, is I don't know how to sharpen a chainsaw, that's a fact. And this slasher seemed like it slowed down today even more than what it normally does. Since pre-rollover, it seems to slow down a little bit. But we cut some logs today. Can't do it. I had a bad edge on it, so Josh has got a good edge on it. The trimming's going good. I'm going to throw these logs over here, and then we'll get back at you and see how things are going from here. And that be a wrap. I mean, you got her all ready to go. Kick that off, kick that off. Trimmed up. Stinking part is everything's covered in ice. And no fun to stack when it's covered in ice. Woods is worse. It's real bad out there. I mean, real bad. It always looks cooler in the video than it does in person. This is going backwards. Wow, that's a wrap for the day. We got stuff to do. Anywho, we're getting a lot of wood piled up. And Chipper will be here in the morning. Hopefully the morning. Hopefully, yeah. Oh, see, there's a little slot right there. There you go. There, go. Not easy doing it with one hand. Oh, I lost the nuts. Well, what about these right here? What do you think? Oh, that was my head right on the door. I mean, we're just fixing everything today. Just look at that. Sitting right there. Just asking to be put to use. And we'll get them good and finger tight. That's about what you want her. Just enough so they'll come off there in a little while. No, we'll fix that. Oh, it was a day. But Chipper will be here tomorrow. Frost laws go on Monday in our area, so Chipper will have to be here before Monday, so it'll be here tomorrow sitting. Other crew is set up. They're chipping. They're working. And it looks like we'll see how things turn out, but I may have to run over and run the other slasher for a little while. We got to work some tweaks out of things and see if we can get some stuff tweaked out and worked out. And yeah, when teamwork makes the dream work. I laugh every time I say that because it's so corny. Corny. Like everything on social media. Okay, I'll stop making fun of social media. But yeah, I mean, anywho, Chippers will be here tomorrow, ready to go, and we'll see what just happens. We will see what happens, and then yeah, probably be on the other crew next week. And now that we got Josh, he can do anything out here. Yeah, that's probably what happened. So we'll run that and run the old apprentice. But I forgot the camera's still in that skidder. That's what I keep forgetting, is that stupid GoPro in there every day. And I got to grab that. So we got to get the GoPro. There's stuff on social media if you want to check out Instagram or Facebook to be caught up on the latest and greatest of what's going on. I do update that stuff more often than Facebook. So if you're on there, you'll get stuff ahead of everybody else, and you will be the first ones to know what's going on. I got a little oil leak. I got a couple little leaks I got to fix. Well, I don't know if I'll have time to fix. I see there's one here. Yeah, that needs a... It looks like I need my leather gloves is what I need. That one's loose. I thought maybe it was broke, but it might be broke. But I think maybe we'll just snug it up. Inch will get you where you need to be. She's a little wet. Oh, the old Barco. That fiddled up on me today. The wires come off. That's my saw. We got that fixed. I want to look at my teeth. Oh, yeah, baby. Teeth look good. 1, 2 missing, 3 missing, 4 missing. 4 missing. That's not bad. I'm happy with 4. So, oh, golly, look at that tabletop. Okay, I'll stop. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Just keep rolling, everybody. We're going to just keep grinding out here. We're going to just keep rolling. Hopefully we can get everything sorted out. And should be an interesting next couple of weeks. A lot going on. There'll be a lot going on, and the weather's changing, and it's warming up, and things are looking on the uppity up. This slasher got a lot of work done to it. We welded this bar in here. I didn't weld it at all. Brian did. Fixed that. Did that. That makes a huge difference. We're having one problem. Let me get stuff fueled up. We're having one problem, and we're fighting a losing battle. This pin right here we put in today. We put that pin in there, and I got an issue because it's hard to tell from the video, but we're not straight across there. This needs to be pulled in. It's supposed to have a pin like this with the nut on it so you can tighten it up and it's straight. Well, it's not straight. So we put this in there today because the other one broke. We put it in there. I fire the old Barco up, spin it around, and I hear boom. As soon as I spun the weight around, it snapped that stupid thing again. And now that's broke just sitting in there. So, yeah, that's an issue we got to get fixed, but it's working for right now. But, I got the welder back things are looking at the uppity up and the toolie. So, but we got ice here. There's like, I don't know how many inches of ice, you can tell. I don't know how many inches of ice we're dealing with, but we'll find out this weekend when the sun comes out. Let me get over here. When the sun comes out this weekend, she starts thawing next weekend. We got a bunch of ice here. I don't know what we got underneath the snow, but it'll be interesting. So, one thing, what do you do? So, just keep rolling. Keep the fuel pumping. Even if the Michigan governor wants to up your taxes 50 cents a gallon. And don't get me started on that crap, because I was reading some articles today and she wants to knock all the weight. You read, I read, she wants to lower weight restrictions in Michigan.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Did not hear that.
Yeah, that's the latest I heard. That's all they'll say.